Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Surbhi and in today's video I'll be doing a short Amazon haul. Okay, so I ordered few products, not a lot of products. There are a few products that I bought recently and I thought of showing it to you. मैंने already एक Insta review kind of thing की थी on my stories, but I thought कि exactly एक video बैठ के properly बनाओ, film करो and then tell you guys my reviews and what I felt about these product, what is the MRP, how much I got it for, and everything about it. So without any further ado, let's quickly get into the video and start with the very first product. Now I do have a bunch of products to show you, so I might go here and there a little bit to just fix everything. And this is the setup. So कुछ ज़्यादा है नहीं, just the wardrobe in my background and because window है so light के लिए. So just let me know what do you think about the quality of the video and also the audio quality. I hope finally मैंने iPhone ले लिया है, so I feel कि अब थोड़ा better होना चाहिए quality and or the quality of the video and audio both. So just comment down below or just DM me in person and tell me how you feel about it. So let's start with the video. So the first product that I have is this. So this is the simple face wash, and with that I also have this one. So this is the moisturizer, light moisturizer. Now this is basically for sensitive skin type. मेरी skin वैसे बहुत sensitive नहीं है, but yes at times fragrance वगैरह से थोड़ा effect हो जाता है. So I try to use products जो sensitive skin के लिए भी हैं because it works for me. And this both are really great product. Fragrance कुछ है नहीं, so smell थोड़ा सा weird है to be honest. मतलब plain है, there is no smell to it. But the best part is that this face wash is 100% soap free, so eyes में burn नहीं होता, nothing to irritate your skin. Plus it's quite moisturizing, it doesn't strip out your skin. And face wash में ये मेरे लिए बहुत important है, like जो essential oils है, जो natural oil है, वो completely strip out ना हो because बहुत ज़्यादा dry हो जाता है skin. And this has no harsh chemicals, nothing like that, no alcohol, no mineral oils or non-animal derived. So everything about this is really good, a really great product. And I got this one for 250 rupees on Amazon, और इसका actual MRP is 375 and I got this for 250, which is really great. इसका amount भी बहुत ही अच्छा है, like the quantity is really great and the texture is also really nice. And I will also show you this one. So मैंने एक ही बार यूज़ किया moisturizer. Face wash I am using daily, so I can tell you that my skin is really behaving nicely. And this is the moisturizer. So yeah, again the quantity is really good. It is 125 ml and the MRP here is 430 rupees if I'm not wrong. Yeah, it's 430 rupees, but I got it for 250 rupees on Amazon. So do check it out. ऑल्सो अगर आप शॉप कर रहे हो, लाइक मैं पहले सिर्फ नायका से ही शॉप करती थी, चाहे कोई भी ब्रांड का हो. आई यूज़ टू गॉट इट फ्रॉम नायका, बट नाउ आई हैव स्टार्टेड स्विचिंग ऑन. सो मैं क्या करती हूँ, मैं कोई भी अगर प्रोडक्ट मुझे परचेस करना होता है, सो आई विल गो टू द नायका साइट एंड आई ऑल्सो चेक इट ऑन अमेजोन. सो जो भी ज़्यादा रीजनेबल प्राइस है और बेटर क्वान्टिटी है, बहुत ऑफर्स है, कॉम्बिनेशंस में है, कॉम्बोज में है, आई ट्राई टू फाइंड इट एंड देन ओनली आई परचेज इट. और बिकॉज आप इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हो उसमें, सो मेक श्योर दैट इट इज़ वर्थ. एंड अगर आपको बेटर उस पर कुछ डिस्काउंट्स मिल रहे हैं, ऑफर्स मिल रहे हैं, देन व्हाई नॉट. Next that I have to show you is this big giant tub of aloe vera gel, the Naturalie's Essence of Nature aloe vera bioorganic gel, and this is for all skin and all hair type. This is 99% pure, so of course 1% यहाँ वहाँ जो भी उनको process चाहिए होता है to preserve this वो होगा. लेकिन apart from that, this is free from paraben, fragrance, alcohol and color, and that is really very important. I don't like aloe vera gel to have that green color because that is not the natural form of it. पर use कर चुकी हूँ as a primer, as a moisturizer, as a face pack. Even if you want to mix it with some other products, you can do that. I got this. Okay, now the MRP is 399, so 400, but on Amazon I got it for 248 to be precise. Yeah. So now talking about other product, this is the product. This is from Dove. So this is basically their deo roll-on. This is the original Smooth and Even Skin roll-on. I love roll-ons. Literally, just after shower, if you just put it, wherever you want. It just refreshes you out. Like I love using roll-ons. मैं अभी तक Nivea का use कर रही थी, but I thought of trying like just I wanted to give a try to Dove one, so I bought this one. And usually इसकी MRP I think this one is 200. If I am not wrong, yeah, it is 200. But I got this for 120 rupees on Amazon, so check it out. And इसकी fragrance, इसका texture, this is like a moisturizing cream. It's not very watery texture kind of thing. It is not something like that. This is nice moisturizer cream kind of thing. So now, while talking about fragrance, let's get into something which is my personal favorite. Every time I love applying perfumes or body mist, roll-ons, everything. I just love perfume. So this is the Plum Body Loving in Vanilla Vibes, and this is the body mist. So this is really a great product. Firstly, plum hai, to it's paraben free, it's the natural one, and it has the decadent mouth watering fragrance, which I swear पहले मुझे लगा था कि it's vanilla, and I'm not a big fan of vanilla like fragrance में. I just cannot handle it to if बहुत ज़्यादा है तो. But इसमें ऐसा नहीं है. Like this is not just vanilla, it also has some other ingredients which normalizes the smell of vanilla, and ये बहुत ज़्यादा beachy वाली vibe देता है. So I really love it. Something for 525 or 600 bucks on their site, the actual price of the product. But on Amazon I got this for 300 rupees, which is almost 300 rupees ka difference. And this is how the bottle looks. It's nice and simple, but I loved the vibe of purple and all of these. Yeah, long lasting hota hai, bahut अच्छे से चलता है, and just gives you a nice refreshing feel. And this one is also really great. Like if you want to buy some proper products जो brand related है but बहुत ज़्यादा expensive side में है, then Amazon, definitely reach out to Amazon, because I think they give the best discount and आप definitely उसको afford कर पाओगे. So yeah. So this is basically the Prima Donna cotton pads. This is the pack of 100. So this is the first time I bought this, and बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा product है. Firstly, इसके cotton pad is not the very thin one, it is proper thick cotton pad, and the quality is so soft, it is so good. Like you can use this for applying your moisturizer, for your toner, even for removing your nail paints or removing your makeup. You can use it in so many ways. Eye patches के लिए, if you want to DIY eye patches and all of that. This is really a great product. I love using it. This for 80 rupees on Amazon, so not bad. And now the product that I'm going to talk about is really a shock giver to me, because it actually came as a shock. मुझे नहीं idea था कि products इतने अच्छे निकले. I'm talking about these things. मैंने इसका story पे बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा review दिया था. Like I was super impressed. I'm still very impressed. So these are the 3 different beauty blenders in different shape, for concealer, for powder, for your foundation. These are in black color, which I love. But apart from that, you can see जब आप प्रेशर पुट करते हो उस पर, या फिर वो कैसे अच्छे से ब्लेंड हो रहा है, जस्ट टू चेक इट आउट. इट इज़ नॉट पोकिंग और इट इज़ नॉट टू सॉफ्ट और टू टाइट, टू हार्ड फॉर योर स्किन. इट्स द परफेक्ट वन. लाइक इट्स द परफेक्ट ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर दैट यू विल एवर नीड, और इतना फ्लॉलेस बेस आपको देगा. इसका फिनिश इज़ अमेजिंग. सो ये मैंने बहुत सारे जगह पे देखा था पहले. This is the first time that I'm trying this one. So this is basically the mini brush, and this is the foundation brush. You can even use this as a powder brush, but I feel कि थोड़ा सा जो इसका stiffness है, that is best for your foundation. इसके bristles are not something जो आपको irritate करेंगे, poke करेंगे, या फिर वो fine lines जो रह जाती है face पे after blending your foundation. This is not going to give you that. So again, really great product. इसका actual MRP, oh yeah, sorry, I also forgot to show you guys. It also came with this brush cleaner. So I don't know, this is a silicone pad kind of thing, and you just need to put some brush on this, like whatever brush you want to clean your eye brush or makeup brush, and it has this different bristles, just to clean your brush. So again, ये भी बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा है. ये मैंने अभी तक try नहीं किया honestly. I have to try, but I got this for 155 rupees, and in 155, 3 beauty blenders, 1 brush, and this cleaner. Amazing. This is the next product. This is the Lakme 925 Vitamin C Facial Serum, and this has the Kakadu Plum extract. Really great serum. I have not tried this before. This is the first time that I'm trying it. And मैंने इसका texture देखा था. So the texture is really thick. It's not greasy at all. I love the packaging. Firstly, the bottle is really cute, and this is not transparent. So vitamin C है, you know, it will be nicely secured. The smell of this is something else. Like usually मैंने ऐसा smell for face serum नहीं देखा है. It is something else. Hope you can see this. So it has a milky kind of texture. It's not very watery. This is not very greasy or something. Like I can say the texture and the feel of the product by seeing it कि कैसा है. So I'm going to try this out. मैंने एक ही बार यूज़ किया, but उसके बाद मैंने नहीं यूज़ किया अभी तक. So honestly, for the results, I do have to wait and tell you guys कि कितना होगा. इसकी MRP is around 600 rupees. I think on Amazon this is for 400 or something, so 200 rupees का off. You can even wait and try. So this is quite, you know, brightening serum and बहुत ज़्यादा glowy effect करता है because of course vitamin C है. Apart from this is actually very lightweighted formula. So if you फील दैट सीरम लगाने से बहुत ज़्यादा हैवीनेस लग रही है फेस पे, फेस ग्रीसी लग रहा है, बहुत हैवी लग रहा है, सो यू कैन ट्राई प्रोडक्ट समथिंग लाइक दिस जो बहुत ज़्यादा इजीली एब्जॉर्ब हो जाता है एंड विच इज़ नॉट एट ऑल स्टिकी. वो ग्रीसी वाली टैकी स्टिकी वाली फीलिंग आपको नहीं देगा. लास्टली वी आर टुवर्ड्स द एंड एंड आई हैव दीज थिंग्स टू शो यू गाइज. दीज आर लिपस्टिक्स एंड मस्कारा. माई फेवरेट पार्ट, आई लव लिपस्टिक. लाइक मैं सब मेकअप प्रोडक्ट्स के बिना रह सकती हूँ. नॉट इवन पाउडर, मॉइस्चराइजर, कुछ नहीं चाहिए, नो स्किन केयर, नथिंग, बट आई डू नीड अ लिपस्टिक, यू नो, अ नाइस न्यूड लिपस्टिक एंड आई एम गुड टू गो एंड टेल यू गाइज कि कैसी है. मैंने ऑलरेडी ये भी सेम स्टोरी रिव्यू कर चुकी हूँ मैं ऑन इंस्टाग्राम. सो इफ़ यू आर नॉट फॉलोइंग मी देयर, do follow me there because मैं ऐसे quick updates and reviews वहाँ पे ज़्यादा देती हूँ. So the first product is from Maybelline. This is the lipstick and this is their creamy sensational liquid matte New York, and this is in shade Barely Nude, and this is genuinely the purest nude shade, like a pale nude shade. Such a good product. Smells beautiful, literally beautiful. Can you see this? This is a nice, really nice one. So it's very pale. It's very pale. You can even top it up with little bit with a mauve kind of shade or another brown or coral nude kind of. Next lipstick that I have is this. Firstly, please tell me what is this packaging note? Like Maybelline, literally I love the packaging of their bullet lipsticks. The colors are so beautiful. This is like the prettiest shade in the packaging. Like just look at these packaging यार, क्या है ये, इतनी bomb है. I really love it. So this shade is called as 696 Burgundy Blush. Amazing shade यार. Literally it might look a little bit of brown, but this is the pure burgundy color, like a nice divine wine kind of color. Absolutely love it. So all of these lipsticks and the mascara ranges from like 230 to 500 के बीच के range के सब, and on Amazon they are super cheap. The next nude shade that I have is the Nude Nuance, and this is also one of my favorite shade. This is similar to the Barely Nude, but Barely Nude is very pale. This is not something like that, but yeah, like a similar shade, but you know, darker than this one. So this is how it looks, and it might appear that almost sub same है, but don't, nudes are never same. Nudes shades में इतने types होते हैं, you know, cool tone,
pink, 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 pink.
No, Manju, concentrate. Salmon pink, old rose pink, carnation pink, hot pink, magenta pink.
The last shade that I have is the Toasted Brown. Again, one of my favorite shade, and this is how it looks. Another product that I have, and the last product for the day, is this. Again, packaging is A1. I loved this, you know, lavender and silver thing going on for a mascara. It gives me that nice international vibe, which is true for Maybelline. So yeah, and it says it's the Falsies Lash Lift Waterproof Mascara, which I agree to because मैंने इसे एक ही बार पहना है अभी तक, like try किया है मैंने, and literally I can say that this is your lash lifter. I enjoyed it because इसके bristles are really very fine. If you can see, the bristles are really very fine, and so this helps to, you know, separate each lash and then, you know, curl it, apply it. Like curl ka I cannot tell you, but yes, it definitely lifts up and gives you a nice volume because of the bristles. So yeah, that's it for the video, and thank you so much for being with me till now. If you're watching this video, please give it a big thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, comment down below, let me know how did you find this video and the quality of the video and the audio, and I'll come up with more videos. I love doing haul videos, review videos, and I will also come up with nice traditional makeup look because of course festive season is here. I've already uploaded few videos on my Instagram, IGTV, Reels, and even on YouTube Shorts. So let me know about what you want to see next, and we'll see you next time.